Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of skipping breakfast or grabbing a sugary pastry on the go? It's time to take control of your mornings and fuel your body the right way. I'm talking about proper, healthy breakfast options that even the busiest among you can manage. We're going to show you 12 easy and delicious recipes that will set you up for a bloody brilliant day. Get ready to ditch the excuses because these breakfast ideas are about to change your mornings forever. Listen up, this isn't rocket science. Chuck some oats, your choice of milk, a dollop of yogurt, and whatever fruit or nuts you fancy into a jar, and leave it in the fridge overnight. Boom. Done. Whisk some eggs with your favorite chopped veggies and a bit of cheese. Pour that sunshine mixture into muffin tins and bake. Grab and go, you lazy sods. We're not talking about some pathetic little yogurt pot. Layer that Greek yogurt with granola and fresh berries for a parfait that looks as good as it tastes. Chapter 4. Avocado toast. It's not just trendy, it's delicious. Toast up some whole grain bread, smash some avocado on there, and season it properly, you donkey. Add an egg or some tomatoes if you're feeling fancy. Chapter 5. Smoothie bowl. A breakfast you can eat with a spoon. Blitz together frozen fruit, yogurt, and a splash of milk. Pour it into a bowl and top with granola, nuts, and fresh fruit. It's like a health food party in your mouth. Chapter 6. Breakfast burrito, a fiesta in your hand. Scramble some eggs with beans, cheese, and your favorite veggies. Wrap that glorious mess in a whole wheat tortilla for a breakfast that's bursting with flavor. Chapter 7. Chia seed pudding. Tiny seeds, massive flavor. Don't let the chia seeds fool you. These little fellas pack a nutritional punch. Mix them with milk, let them do their magic overnight, and top with fruit and nuts. Chapter 8. Whole grain toast with nut butter and banana. Simple and satisfying. For those mornings when you're running late, this one's for you. Toast, nut butter, banana slices. Simple, delicious, done. Chapter 9. Greek yogurt with homemade granola and berries. Start your day the right way. We're taking yogurt to the next level. Combine creamy Greek yogurt with homemade granola and a handful of fresh berries. Chapter 10. Hard-boiled eggs with whole grain crackers and fruit. A classic combo. Boil some eggs the night before, grab some whole grain crackers and a piece of fruit, and you've got yourself a balanced breakfast that's ready in seconds. Chapter 11. Oatmeal with milk, cinnamon, and diced apples. Warm and comforting. Cook up some hearty oatmeal with milk, add a dash of cinnamon, and top it off with sweet, diced apples. Perfect for chilly mornings. Chapter 12. Breakfast sandwich, a morning upgrade. Elevate your breakfast game with a proper sandwich, toast an English muffin, fry an egg, add some cheese and fresh spinach. You're welcome. Outro, level up your breakfast game. There you have it, you Muppets. 12 easy and healthy breakfast ideas that even the most useless cook can handle. Remember, a proper breakfast sets you up for the day. It's time to ditch the excuses and start fueling your body with the good stuff. Now go forth and conquer your mornings. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.